Hello ma'am and sir, a pleasant day to you. My name is Maria Teresa Garcia Manawis. I'm 42 years old and currently resided in Barangay Kalipaan, Asingan, Pangasinan, Philippines. I'm a high school graduate. I am married and have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl, ages 17 and 11 years old. My work experience was in Jordan for a total of 6 years in 2 employers. I've worked 4 years in my first employer with 5 family members, 1 couple, and triplets newborn babies. My main duties are taking care of the babies, cleaning the house, washing, folding, and ironing clothes, and cooking for the babies' food. I've worked 2 years for my second employer in Jordan with 5 family members, 1 grandmother, 1 couple, and 2 children, both girls. My main duties are to clean the house, taking care of the children, assisting the grandmother while she is cooking, washing, ironing, and folding clothes, washing car, and took care of 1 dog. Ma'am and sir, if you will give me a chance to be your household worker, I promise to do all my duties. I promise to take care and love your family as my own. Thank you so much and God bless.